Welcome back to another video. It's me, Beat On here, and today we got an unboxing of the new DJI Mic Mini, and I am excited to use this. I just bought the new DJI Osmo 5 Action camera, so we can easily pair with this for my MOTO vlogging. If you haven't watched the unboxing of this yet, please go check it out. This mic is actually really cool, and it actually sounds fantastic. So here's a quick unboxing of what you get in the package. Got a quick start guide, some DJI stickers, put those to the side. And I like the packaging that they do for the mic. They actually give you this nice padded bag to put everything in. Put this off to the side. So I got the whole complete setup. So we got both the mics, the receiver, and the charging case. You can actually buy just the mic if you wanted, the mic and the receiver, and you don't get the other mic or this charging box. Comes in this awesome soft bag, so you can store all your goodies in here. Let's see what's in it. So you got the windshields, the windscreens, which we'll put on the mic in a second after we pull that out. We have the TRS cable that comes with it. So if you're using a regular camera, you can connect the receiver to your camera and then plug in the TRS cable, the audio cable. And then here's the charging, USB-C to USB. Put this off to the side. This is the charging case. Now, at first, I didn't get this whole setup. I just got the mic and the receiver. But after finding out it wasn't working with my Insta camera, I decided to just return it and get the whole setup. You never know when you're going to need two microphones. And I really did like the fact that this had a charging case. So I'm pretty sure it has a really long charging, like 48 hours if you just have the case on you. Press to unlock. There we go. So this might have everything in it. Yeah. So when you first get this, the microphones are actually already paired to your receiver. So all you got to do is take it out, take the mic out, take the receiver out, and you will see that they're already paired. So if we take out one of the microphones, put it to the side, and we take out the receiver. So it's indicating that we took out the second mic, and we got the other one right here. So they're paired with the green light. And then if we were to take out the second mic, should say that the first one. Yep, now we got both. So now they're easily paired to the transmitter. You don't even have to do anything. That's super convenient. On the receiver, we got the 3.5mm jack, the pairing button. Comes with a clip, so you can clip it onto something. And you got a decibel adjuster right there, the power button. But let's take a look at the microphone real quick. You can see it's like the size of my thumb. It's super tiny. The mic's at the top of it if you're trying to talk into it. It comes with this magnetic back piece. Super strong neodymium magnet. But aside from that, it actually comes with its own clip. Super convenient though. So we'll put this back in. It also comes with a USB-C adapter here. So you can put on your receiver and use your cell phone, your iPhone, to use these mics and record your audio. And it all stores in this little case. Charge it in the back. Very nice. So we'll put this to the side and see what else comes in here. Nothing else comes in here, but it's a nice little bag to carry everything in. We got all these slot compartments. Let's attach one of these windscreens so you guys can see. You can actually leave these windscreens on them too while it's in the case and shut the case with everything in it. And the TRS cable actually fits in there as well. Oh wow, they actually give you, okay. Cool. So I'm pretty sure these are, the gray one is for if you have a lot of wind while you guys are talking, and then the black one's for less wind. But since I'm going to be using it for moto vlogging, I'll probably end up using the one that reduces the majority of the wind. So attaching them is pretty simple. Taking them off is a little difficult, but it's nothing to complain about. You can see they got these clips on the bottom. And then if you look on the microphone itself, it's got these 2 notches. So you want to put those 2 notches there, and then it'll just clip right in. Boom, just like that. Give it a nice little fluff. And there's your microphone. You can just clip it on anything. It's about 2 sizes of my thumbs now. You can stick it right back in the box. Now it's charging. You just close it back up and they're good to go. Super simple. I'm actually gonna put the other one on to the other mic. Yeah, and that's not going anywhere. Cool. Put this back into the case. So actually, let me pull this out. There's actually another slot right here, if you can see, because my phone still uses a lightning cable, my iPhone 13. So any newer phones that use the USB-C has an adapter here. I ordered the lightning cable adapter for the receiver. That should be coming soon, so I could do iPhone recording. And then I'm pretty sure if you needed this cable, it would just wrap into here, but I don't really have a use for that cable. And then you just shut it. You got everything you need inside of here. Very cool. So if you guys are looking to get a nice tiny mic that sounds great, I recommend getting this DJI mic, the Mini of course, and making sure all your components are capable of using it before you get it. Because like I said, I bought a bunch of different like adapters. I bought a TRRS cable and it still didn't work with my Insta360 camera. So I recommend doing your research, trying to figure out, contact DJI support or Insta360 support to make sure that it's going to work with your camera. But stay tuned because we will have a review of how these connect to each other, how they work, how they sound. Within the week or so, once I give it like a nice test trial and figure out how everything works. But if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below any types of things you'd like to see with these two. I am looking forward to reading those comments and making videos for you. Appreciate it. Peace.